To add a pricing table to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for your website. In the editor, click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Wix App Market where you can find the pricing table app. Search for pricing table in the search bar and click on the result to open the app page. Click the Add to Site button to install the app on your website. Once installed, click on the Back to Editor button to return to your website editor. In the editor, click on the Add button again and select the pricing table app from the list of installed apps. Drag and drop the pricing table element to the desired location on your web page. You can resize the table by dragging the corners or adjust its position by dragging it. To customize the pricing table, click on it to open the Settings panel. Here you can add or remove columns and rows, and edit the content of each cell. You can also change the design and layout of the table by selecting from various templates and customization options. To add pricing plans, click on the Add Plan button and enter the details of each plan, including the name, price, and features. You can also add a call to action button to each plan to encourage visitors to sign up or learn more. Best practices for creating an effective pricing table include making it easy to compare plans, highlighting the benefits and features of each plan, and using clear and concise language. You should also ensure that the table is mobile-friendly and responsive, so it looks good on all devices. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking pricing table on your Wix website that helps to convert visitors into customers. Remember to test and preview your website to ensure that the pricing table looks and works as expected.